I'm feeling tired. Being tired from all those workouts, all those 150k rides. I do those because I want to prepare myself for a race, but I'm finding myself losing a bit of joy in terms of riding. But I got a new bike and I told myself no Strava, no Garmin, and I'm just gonna take this bike to somewhere that I've never been before and discover.
The secrets hidden in the stories of the wind.
So that was fun. The name of this nice little toy is called the Storck Scenero G2. It's a German superbike and it's definitely one of the lightest bikes that I've ever ridden. From Wikipedia, it says one of Storck's bikes still holds the world record of lightness and steadiness to weight ratios. It sounds good on paper, but is it any good for racing purposes? This frame is sharp and precise. You really feel like one with the bike because for every little twitch you do on your foot, it's transferred to the bike. And this quote-unquote stiletto fork just absorbs all the vibrations. I'm riding 23mm tires with high pressures, but it feels like I'm riding a 32mm tires with shock absorbers. Now, a hyperbike with one with the lightest frame deserves some top-end kits, and this bike comes with one of the best components. Drivetrain comes from SRAM Rival 11 speed, a major reason for the precise power transfer. The wheels comes from Easton Vista SL. Rim height is 29.4mm, and with the cartridge bearing and double-butted spokes, holding on to fast speed is easy. Saddle is from Sale Italia Flight with cutaway design that helps you flow. Finishing kits comes from the famous brand Easton, and with their aero bars and stem, you can stay aero with a greater comfort. Now this bike with all those aero features, is it any good for climbing? The lightweight definitely helps you with the climb. And the short wheelbase just makes you want to stand on top of the saddle and climb all the time. And if you ever want to sit down on the carbon seat post in the saddle, it cannot be more comfortable. This thing is indeed a climbing beast. So it's an amazing bike. What's important is that this bike reminds me of the joy of riding again. Sometimes you're just gonna take a new bike and go to a new place and discover new things. I have to say thank you, Storck, or in German, Dankeschön, Storck.